a big job where you go open a tea shop.
For this Nigeria, every work where they bring money, now what they do. This is my new work.
You know it's a big job. Now you don't go open a tea shop. This is our country. Don't have to.
Come. I want make you help me draw my girlfriend. I want give her to her as a surprise. Now, her picture be this.
This thing will cost you 50,000. This your baby. If I like Choma, it go take me like 2 months to design the architecture works.
2 months.
2 months.
Oga artist, what did they happen now? For the past 2 years now, I don't give you this picture. Say, may you help me draw. You they told this thing. What did happen? You never still ready.
Hey, customer. You know what? Come office. It's not ready.
Oh yeah, what the picture?
What? Full time? Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
It take me 2 years to finish a month.
I'll hit you with this one and the police will come here. Jesus is Lord.